Hey, what's up, you guys? We're back in my bathroom. I figured we'd do a quick get unready with me. So there's get ready with me and then there's get unready with me. So it's basically me taking my makeup off. So what I usually do is I usually do a makeup wipe, and I always get mine at Big Lots. So it's $1 at Big Lots. This is a new one for me. This is the vitamin C gonna make me try to say something I can't. Epipill. So they have different kinds. I always use the green tea one. I have no problems with this one. So I wanted to try this one and see how this worked. I've been trying it for a couple days. I feel like there's a little bit more stinging in this one, which is probably a good thing, because that means that it's working. So we're gonna do that. Thank you guys that have been leaving comments and things like that. Thank you so much. It's pretty nerve-wracking getting back into doing videos when you haven't done them in a long time. So I appreciate all you guys saying different things, saying what you like, saying what you want to see. Like, let me know what you want to see. Let me know what you don't want to see. I'll take all that feedback. I appreciate all of that. So this is how much it's taking off. And yeah, these packs, they're 30 in a pack, and it's for $1, so it's not bad. I get them all the time. So I get what I can with this, and then I flip it over, and I'll like get as much as I can on the other side, and then I'll pretty much throw that away. Now, I did some eye makeup because I'm getting back into YouTube, so you gotta do eye makeup, right? So whenever I do eye makeup, I'll use the Garnier Micellar Water. I have a little guy because, again, like, I don't use makeup a lot. There's that. There you go. Autofocus. So I got the little guy. Just because, you know, how often do I actually wear makeup? So I'll use like a little cotton ball. I also have the pads too, cotton pads. While I'm doing this, I'll show you what that looks like. So whichever one you prefer. I literally have like 2 of these left, so I'm just going in with the cotton ball. Hopefully I don't get any of this in my contact, because this will be a completely different other video. Let's see. So I usually do that. It actually doesn't burn or anything, which is nice. Which is why I like this one. I used to use Garnier, their hair products, like their curling products. God, I think like back in my 20s, I used to use it all the time. I don't know, I stopped, started using other stuff. So there's still some left over. You guys, I did a whole video and didn't even put mascara on like an idiot, and didn't realize till I looked at myself in the mirror. I was like, oh my god, I just did that whole thing with no makeup on. Then I go in with my Purity one-step facial cleanser. This is amazing. Like, this has changed my skin. It's gentle. We put it over for your eyes. I can open my eyes. It doesn't tingle or anything. So I'm gonna rinse my face off really quick here. Okay, so after you rinse your face off really good, like that, you could take whatever towel you have. I have the makeup eraser towel. This is actually good to remove your makeup. I've done that a couple times, but I still like using like my products just to really get in there. The only thing that I might have a little bit of problem with is like around my nose. I'll get like some makeup in there. So what I'll do is I'll go back in here and kind of just get in around my nose. Because I have like a weird shaped nose where the crevice stuff always gets stuck in there. So just do that. And honestly, guys, for me, that's it. 1, 2, 3 products. That's usually all I do. If this was the morning, I would use the Purity Made Simple. This one is a facial cleansing gel. This one's actually eye makeup remover too. I like using this one in the morning or during the day. And then I like using they call it an emulsifier at night, or vice versa. It really doesn't matter. You could do either of these two. I like them both. This one's almost gone. I have an auto shipment on QVC. That's what I use. That's what this one has. So I have a lot of them. I have so many like backed up on stock. So I'm just going to actually do the auto shipment for next year, because they were going to ship me another 2 in September, but I'm like, I already have like 4 in the back. They last a very long time is basically what I'm trying to say. It isn't a really long way of saying it. If this was during the day, I would use this one. And then I would use the moisturizer. So that would be like my daytime, but I kind of want to do a mask. So give me just a moment. Let me go grab it. Oh, that didn't stop. Anyway, so it's right here. This is the Purity Made Simple Pore Extractor. This, by far, is the best mask I have ever tried in my entire life. I know, she's being way dramatic, way too dramatic, but this stuff is amazing, guys. All I do, and it's kind of skinny, I use this is my Real Techniques. This is actually for foundation, but when was the last time you've seen anybody use a brush like this for foundation? Ever since the Beauty Blender came on the market, nobody uses this anymore. I use this because it's like a synthetic brush, and I just kind of paint my face with this. And a little goes a long way, actually. Let me pause the video. Okay, they say that this is for the T-zone only, this mask, but I put it all over because where I break out is usually like the perimeter of my face. And I really feel like this mask helps. It's a exfoliating clay mask. It also has the salicylic acid acne treatment, and I think that's why I like it so much, because it's good ingredients mixed with that, and that helps with acne, of course. But yeah, I love this stuff. You can get it at Ulta. You can get it on you could get it at Sephora. You could get it on the Purity website. You could get it on Ulta. That's probably where I'm going to get my next one, because they have kits. Not Ulta. Long day. Very, very long day. QVC. Look on QVC because they have some really good products. You could do Easy Pay. If you don't know what Easy Pay is, it's instead of, for example, you want the Too Faced chocolate bar palette. Instead of paying one price of like, what is it, 49, 60 bucks, something like that, they'll have like days where they'll have Easy Pay, or times where they'll have Easy Pay, and you can like do installments of like 13 bucks or whatever, just to kind of, you could have like instant gratification. You'll have the palette, but then you'll take your time paying it. So that's actually what I did with my chocolate bar palette, which is why I kind of brought that up. But or I should say, that's what my boyfriend did as a gift for me for Valentine's Day. So that was that's like another option if you're trying to save money or not spend like your rent money for makeup, you know what I mean? Also, I went to the store yesterday and I picked this up. This is the Wet n Wild, oh god, here we go with the lighting again. Wet n Wild, what is this called? Perfect Pout Lip Scrub. limited edition. And I think this is for the summer, but I've never seen this before. And it reminded me of the Jeffree Star on his website. He has lip scrubs. It's got that little cap thingy. And I actually wanted to order one of his, and I wanted the watermelon one. But this one was only like $3 or $4. I don't know how much his is. I think it's like 15 or something like that. So I'm like, oh, let me try that. So I'll probably do that once this mask settles. And then I'll let you guys know how that works, because that's going to be weird, me trying this while I'm talking to you. Other than that, I'll keep this on. Sometimes I leave it on for a half hour. It says to leave it on for like 15 minutes. Oh no, 5 or 10 minutes. So don't listen to me if you have sensitive skin, but I leave it on for a while because I really think it works. And I'll do it like maybe once a week. You could do it twice a week if you like. But yeah, this stuff is so good. So good. Great gift. I absolutely love it. All right, so that's pretty much it. If you guys like this video, leave a comment, leave a like. If you don't like it, let me know. All right, love you guys. Thanks for watching. Bye.